Dear students, welcome to the channel Chemistry for Competitive Examinations. This is Satyatrinath. In this video, I am going to explain you the benzoin condensation reaction. So let's get started. Benzoin condensation. This benzoin condensation reaction is one of the important condensation reactions which is shown only by the aromatic aldehydes. The first condition is this reaction is shown only by the aromatic aldehydes. This is the important point to be noted. Aromatic aldehydes only shows this benzoin condensation reaction. Now, what happens is, during this reaction, when you take 2 moles of aromatic aldehydes, for example, let us say if you have taken 2 moles of benzaldehyde, when you allow this to react with alcoholic aqueous potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide, then these 2 moles of aldehydes condense together to form alpha hydroxy ketone. Alpha hydroxy ketone is going to be the product formed. This is alpha hydroxy ketone, usually called as the benzoin. This product is called as the benzoin, hence this condensation name is benzoin condensation. Okay, now I'll explain you the mechanism of this particular reaction. Mechanism, if you look carefully, we are starting the reaction with 2 moles of aromatic aldehydes. So first of all, let us take 1 mole of benzaldehyde. Okay, and when this is allowed to react with the Cn minus, that means which is obtained from the alcoholic aqueous potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide, Cn minus, then what happens? First, being a nucleophile, this attacks this carbon bearing positive charge. This carbon gets the positive charge only when the pi bond migrates onto the oxygen like this. Then this becomes the O minus and this becomes the C plus. So at this positively charged carbonyl carbon, the Cn minus will come and get attached. Then the intermediate formed would be like this: C O minus CnH. Now later on what happens? Internally, this particular molecule will involve in a kind of acid base reaction. What happens? Acid base reaction means what? This O minus acts as a base and tend to attract this H plus ion. So it is grabbing this H plus ion, so that this becomes O minus and H plus becomes OH, and on the carbon there comes the negative charge. Then this would change to COH negatively charged carbon attached with cyanide. This is the intermediate formed with the first mole of the aldehyde. Now this intermediate combines with the second mole of this benzaldehyde molecule to form our product. Let us see this. See, this molecule OH, C minus and C triple bond N. This combines with the another mole of the benzaldehyde. Here simply the nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. For the thing to happen, this pi bond has to move onto the oxygen. There comes the positive charge, and this positively charged carbon, this entity is going to be added. Then the molecule formed would be like this. COH, C triple bond N, single bond C, O minus, H, and this is the benzene ring system. Okay, later on again in this particular molecule, here there is a negatively charged oxide ion, that means the oxygen. Then what happens, again a kind of acid base reaction one more time takes place, acid base reaction. That means this H plus is grabbed by this oxygen with negative charge, so that here comes the negative charge and this becomes the OH. Then what happens, this is CO minus, C triple bond N, this is COH, and this is the H. This is the benzene ring system. Very simple. See, now later on what happens, this negative charged oxygen trying to acquire the stability and trying to give the stability to this entire molecule by bringing back this negative charge as the double bond between the carbon and this oxygen. When this is happening, immediately the carbon cyanide bond is going to be entirely cleaved out, and the cyanide group is going to leave the system as cyanide ion, Cn minus. Then what happens, our product, that is alpha hydroxy ketone, is obtained now. This is COH, single bond H, and this is the benzene ring. That means, please look dear students, this is the alpha hydroxy ketone, aromatic ketone. So this is the alpha hydroxy ketone, which is generally known as the benzoin. So this is the mechanism of the benzoin condensation reaction. Okay, once again I will explain this very briefly. So what is benzoin condensation, dear students? The reaction, this is the condensation reaction shown only by aromatic aldehydes, and during this reaction 2 moles of aromatic aldehydes condense in presence of alcoholic aqueous KCN. Alcoholic aqueous KCN is being used, or NaCN is being used as the reactant. Then what happens, the product is the benzoin. Benzoin means alpha hydroxy ketone. What is the mechanism? Initially 1 mole of the aromatic aldehyde reacts with the cyanide ion, which is obtained from the KCN. Okay, here this cyanide ion attacks the carbonyl carbon bearing the positive charge, forming this intermediate. This, with the help of this acid base reaction, what happens, it is forming a carbon ion. This carbon ion attacks the second mole of the benzaldehyde molecule over here to form this particular ion. Again, this is not stabilized being an ion. Here what happens? Again the acid base reaction takes place. Okay, thereby this H plus ion moves on to this O minus ion to acquire the extra stability. Later on, this O minus will direct this negative charge as the bond between the carbon and the oxygen, leaving this cyanide ion. So cyanide ion cleaves the system, so that finally what we have obtained is the alpha hydroxy ketone, which is benzoin. So this is the simplest of the simplest reaction, dear students, very easy and important. So please prepare this reaction well, which is useful for your examinations. Thanks for watching, and one more sincere request, dear students, please subscribe my channel with and help me with your big thumbs up and press the bell icon and support me. Definitely I will try to give each and every named reaction in a very simple manner, which is useful for your preparation. Thank you so much.